So if you're trying to upload your video on YouTube and it's not loading, the internet is connected, so just go to the create option, then select the upload video. Okay, so you click the button. So I search for the exact file I was uploading, then click on it and let it upload. It's going to resume the upload. So you have a 24 hours window to do this. So if it's still not uploading, verify your video file size and format. Confirm that the video is a supported format and does not exceed YouTube's upload size limit. Then clear your cache and cookies. Then you can attempt using a different browser or a different device. Sometimes YouTube server is down, so it will be reported. So if it's a 4K video, it will take way longer than a 1080p video, so you should expect it to take longer. But then if it's not moving at all, irrespective of the resolution, it's either your internet speed is too low or there's something wrong with probably the codec bitrate of that video, so you want to re-render it to a more acceptable format. So let me know if this helped in the comment section.